Firstly, before starting makeup, we need to apply the moisturizer. Here I am using Aqualogica's oily free moisturizer. If you are having dry skin, then use a moisturizer which hydrates your skin. Apply the moisturizer over all your face properly. The links of the products which I'll be using will be mentioned in the description box, so please feel free to check it out. After applying the moisturizer, also remember to apply the primer too. It's time for the concealer. Now I'm gonna use this Colorbar concealer palette, which is very good. I think you should have this in your makeup vanity. I'm applying the concealer by mixing 3 of the shades to match my skin tone. I am applying the concealer using a brush. You can even use your fingers to blend it well. Here I am using the concealer to cover my dark circles. You can even use the concealer to cover the dark spots and pigmentation. As you guys know that summer season has been started, so I'm using the skin tint from Fit Me. It's very affordable and very lightweight. I like to apply the skin tint by applying few drops on my hand and then warming it up like this, and then apply it on my face as dots and then blend it well with my fingers. There are many skin tint brands in the market, but all of them are very costly, but this one is very affordable. I think this is very good, which you should have in your makeup vanity. It provides a sheer coverage. To lock the concealer, you need to use a compact powder or a loose powder. You can use any one of them, but I prefer to use a Colorbar compact powder as it provides a very good coverage. Now I'm gonna use this Mamaearth lip and cheek tint. I'm applying this blush over my cheeks and temple areas, and also on my nose. It gives a natural look. I think it's okay. Here I'm using the contour stick from Swiss Beauty. It's very affordable and very good too. Always remember to blend the contouring towards up so that your face looks lifted. You can even apply the contour on your chin line as it hides your double chin if you have any, and also it makes your face look slimmer. Now here you need to blend the contouring down towards your neck. This will define your features well. I'm using the eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty. It's in the shade 06. I'm gonna take the lighter shade from the palette and apply it over my eyelid. It's time for the eyeliner. This eyeliner is from Blue Heaven. After eyeliner, I'm using this Colossal mascara. It gives very good length and volume to your lashes. Now I'm using this lipstick from Mamaearth. It's in the shade Carnation Nude. It's suitable for all Indian skin tones. Now comes the highlighter. Highlighting is the most important step in the makeup. Here I'm applying the highlighter on the cheekbones and on my center of the nose to give that extra glow. As it is an Indian festive makeup look, you need to apply the bindi and a kajal. I'm using the kajal from Colossal.
So ये रहा मेरा फाइनल मेकअप लुक, और अगर आपको मेरा मेकअप लुक पसंद आया तो लाइक कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम चैनल को भी जाके फॉलो कीजिएगा. और एट द लास्ट आई जस्ट वांट टू से दैट यू आर ब्यूटीफुल द वे यू आर, सो डोंट चेंज फॉर एनीवन. एंड अगर आपको किसी चीज से खुशी मिल रही है तो आप जरूर कीजिए. थैंक यू, धन्यवाद, नमस्ते.